How to enable auto dubbing on YouTube. Let's get started with the video. Start by moving into any of the web browser and then move into the site youtube.com. Make sure that you are logged into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, you need to open the YouTube on desktop site. Once done, tap on your profile and then click on YouTube Studio. It will open up in this page. Now click on Settings icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. Once you're inside the settings, right here, you should see the option of Upload Defaults. Click on it. And then simply head over to Advanced Settings. In this page, you should see the option of Show Automatic Dubbing. If you do not have that option, then it might be because you do not have enough subscribers or you aren't active on YouTube account. But for you, if it is available to you, then all you gotta do is tap on the checkbox of Show Automatic Dubbing. Once done, tap on Save, and then the auto dubbing will be enabled in YouTube successfully. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.